Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a magic circle. The way that I demonstrate this to my daughter is to tell her to make a fishy. The short yarn tail should be under and the longer tail connected to your skein should be on top. We're going to stab the fishy, grab that top tail and pull it up. Then we're going to chain one, and that's a magic circle. Now we're going to work into the magic circle with 6 single crochet stitches, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now you grab that short tail and you pull tight to make it a magic circle. The magic part is that it gets smaller. So we'll do that again. Make a fishy. Stab the fishy. Grab its top yarn tail, pull up, and chain one. That's the magic circle. Let's do it again. Stab the fishy, grab that top yarn, yarn over, pull up, magic circle. I hope that helps.